Alright guys, so I want to just welcome back to the channel. Let me just introduce welcome back to the channel. I know I don't post that often, but I decided to make this video because of how simple this system is, of how simple this money is. So I needed to upload this, and I try to start uploading a video every week. You know, every Thursday I try to upload the video. Every Thursday I upload the video. All right. So, anyways, let's get back into it. So this is a trade. 8th of August, Euro DPY, easy trade. Um let me just explain the system. So if you're just coming to this channel, please subscribe, share this video, like this video. Help us grow, help us grow, help us grow, help us grow, help us grow. I want to just show you something. Show you something. Show you something. So, and if you're not on this channel, this Juice Traders channel, you are missing out a lot. I give out free signals basically because I call this on Thursday, that 18th of August. I also called GPSD. So yeah, called GPSD. So I call trades, I call trades a lot. So you can see this is Euro JPY trade. Yeah, this is Euro JPY trade, right? And this was the result. The result sent to VIP2. It's matched. So, anyway, let's dive into it. I don't want to make the video too long. So, the link to the Telegram will be in the description. So check that for that. Okay. And yeah, let's dive into it. So, the system is a rule-based system. You need to see things. So these are the things I need to see before I take a trade. So the first thing I need to do is I mark out the eye of the day. The eye of the day will be set in the Asia session. So there's Asia session, London session, there's New York. So the eye of the day will be set in Asia session. Right? It will be set in Asia. Once it's set in Asia, like this, let's say the trade is going on like this. So it's setting the eye, setting the eye. And I know, and before you come into London, I've already marked out my eye, right? I'll say this is my eye, and this is my low, something like this. And then, is there a visible break of the eye? So if the eye happens, so if the break of that eye happens in London, it triggers something. It triggers something. I become more. I pay more attention to that pair, right? It happens mostly to AOGPY, right? But AOGPY is one of my favorite pairs, and it works effortlessly. You see it happen over and over again, right? So the next thing I need to see is what session are we on? I check my time. The timing of a London session is 7 a.m. GMT, 7 a.m. GMT, but I'm on the screen by 6. Right? So the next thing I do we have an M structure? Do we have the M structure? This is the M structure. Once we have this M structure, I start selling. So this is the eye of the day, right? This is eye of the day. Right eye of the day. This is eye of the day. Very good. Here's eye of the day. What session are we on? London session. This is the end formation. You set your target at the low of the day. So this is your target. And this is the eye of the day. Stop loss will be above the M. So stop loss will be here. Right? Boom. So that's how simple this system is. You mark out the eye of the day. Is there a visible break of the eye? If yes, what session are we on the break? Then you wait for your M formation. M formation basically means there's two legs, one leg, two legs. This is the first leg, right? And this is the second leg. When you get out two legs, then you can start selling. Put your stop loss above the M, target the low of the day, and that is how it works. So let me go over the trade. Let me go over the trade real quick. So this is the trade right here, right? And okay, you can see this is the previous separator. This is when Thursday started. Yeah, this line. Let me put a horizontal line there, a vertical line. Sorry. So this is when Thursday started, right? And this Wednesday. So this Thursday. So this is eye of the day. So this is eye of the day, right? Boom. So break of the eye of the day. This is the break. Fourth break. Boom. So I was alert. This is just so that's the first leg. So this is the first leg of the M, and this is the second leg of the M, and this is where you should take in the trade. This was my entry, and this was my. This should be your stop. This should be my stop loss, but I am always extra careful because there could be a week that you just speak to this area, and your trade will still play out, but you'll be stopped out. So I do not like taking any chances. I put my stop loss here above, just above this, at 137.71. That's why I put my stop loss 0.71 right here, just to be safe. If it peaks to this level and goes down, I do not want to lose money. So I just reduce my lot size and increase my stop loss. That's what I do to be safe and to working for me. So my first take profit will be at the low, this low of the day. Boom. And my second take profit was at the structure, the next structure. Here's the next structure, this is the next structure right here. So I took my take profit around that area for 65 pips, 1:3, and I was done. So that is how that is how I took that trade and sent it to the free Telegram chat. The free Telegram chat is it. I sent the trades. I told them to move stop loss, start taking money, move stop loss to break even, need to send time moving, stuff like that. And I have this MT4 setting is an indicator that I set my session. So this pink is my Asia session, this is my London session, and this yellow is my New York. So you can see this is the eye of the day. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to spot these patterns. So that is break, boom. So that is first leg. So this is the M, and that was my entry. So this is my entry around here, right? That's my entry around there on the retest of the M at the eye of the day, and you can see the money. Boom. So guys, my advice to you is always trade from the outside. Do not trade inside here. Do not be inside here. Be on the outside. Be on the outside. That's where the money is. Be on the outside. Do not be in the inside here. Do not be here. You will not make money consistently long term if you are constantly on the inside. Go outside. Be on the outside. Be on the outside. That's where the money is. Look at that. This is where the money is. So the main takeaway from this video is eye of the day. Is there a visible break of the eye? What session are we on? Do we have the M structure? Set our targets close to plus above, and take your money. It's very easy money. Very easy money. If you have any problem, any comments, if you have any issues, and if you have any experience with this system, drop your comments below. Share this video to fellow traders, and follow me on Twitter. My link will be posted in the description too. And yeah,